This is Tammy from Beautiful Reflection Salon and Spa. I am a master educator in cosmetology. Today I have Owen with me. I'm going to do one of the case study about acne. So what I'm gonna do today, we just take a picture, right? I'm gonna build a case for you, and for you to come back, I'm gonna have a plan for the next 8 weeks, what I'm going to treat you. When did you start to have acne? Develop acne?
2 years.
2 years? What do you want to get out of this?
Kind of just like cleared up, like brighter, glow more.
All right. We wanted to cure from the roots, okay? So you're gonna change your habit of eating, no sugar, right? If you could control the dairies would be good. I would consider like eat everything cooked. Try not to eat anything cold. Maybe would help you as well. Because sometimes the dairies, the cheese is still feeding the bacteria, because your stomach will grow more bad bacteria than the good bacteria, right?
Yeah.
All right, so are you committed to this game with me?
Yeah.
All right.